Welcome to Bilky Knowledge. Hi, I am Bilky. Today I want to share success story of Netflix. Here, this is a logo for Netflix and the founders Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph. Netflix was founded in 1997 in Scotts Valley, California. Netflix initially both sold and rented DVDs by mail, but the sales were eliminated within a year. After in 2007, Netflix introduced streaming videos on demand. The company expanded to Canada in 2010, followed by Latin America and the Caribbean. Netflix entered the content production industry in 2013, debuting its first series, House of Cards. In 2016, it expanded to additional 130 countries and operated in 190 countries. Now, what are the advantages of Netflix? Netflix is basically a streaming service that offers to watch TV shows and movies anytime, anywhere. The anywhere it means it supports mobile phones, tablets, computers, and the gaming console also. That's what you can see every movies and episodes that's available on Netflix. All of these devices anytime. After it comes anytime, there is no specific timing for watching these episodes, movies. You can just hit play and you can enjoy the movie shows. The another benefit, there is no ads in Netflix. By streaming or watching series, you will never get ads in between. Now comes disadvantage. The Netflix only work through internet. So this service you have to pay 500 rupees for basic plans. After that, you have to also pay internet charges also. While streaming episodes or movies, your data also consumed, so you have to keep that in your mind. Netflix does not have each and every episodes and movies. It have many movies, but there might be a chance to one you expecting is not available. For using Netflix, you can pick your plan, and also there is a benefit. You can try free trial for first month, see if you like or not. After you can take decision. That's all. Keep support to our channel. Thank you.